40, 60, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees. Different situations will come here. How the frictions has to be assumed. Again, the similar method. First, we should be careful with the frictions also. This will be the diagonal. Now this is the center of the plate. It may not appear, but take it that to be center of the plate. I think the same diagram. I'm unable to. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is the center of the plate. Let's get into the other thing. That one. So this is the vertical. Center of the plate. I'll take it to be here. The weight mg will act here. I'll start from here. Normal reaction n1. This n2, and this angle is what? 37 degrees. It is given. How to get the direction of friction? So let me take this point A, and this is B. About point A, will go for it, so that the weight mg will act normal contact. So it's asking for what value of coefficient of friction, static friction. It is in equilibrium. That mu s is what is asking us to calculate. If it is a smooth surface, what will happen? I think there's the best way of analyzing. If they're smooth, if there's no friction between the walls, tell me what happened to this square plate. B will move up, A will move towards right. Is it like that? If the smooth plate, if the walls, if there's no friction between the side wall and vertical wall, how do the plate will move? If you don't know this, no way of working this problem. You must have the physical ideas. You must know the physical world. Little bit you must know. To set free, I think the A will move towards left, B will move vertically down. Will I agree, all of you? If there is no friction between the plate and the wall, A will move towards left, B will move vertically down. So therefore, how that limiting friction should act upward. Same thing you can apply for even the previous problem also. You can try this at home. You can try this at home. This is F2. This is F1. This is N1, what we got it. Okay, let's go for the calculation part. For equilibrium, F1 should be equal to N2 along x-axis. Directly I'll write it. Our problem is over once you are able to manage net force along x-axis 0. So F1 minus N2 equals 0. Along y-axis, N1 plus F2 should balance the weight. N1 plus F2 minus mg equal to 0. Further, what is F1? F1 should be equal to mu N1. No, these are both the forces. Next, what about the talk? Talk about which point you can take so that the problem will become very simple. You can define about any point. This is a square plate, so this length will be L, this length will be L. Talk about which point we should take so that the problem will become very simple. About A, let me go for about A. For about A, we don't know the distance, no? So can we get AO? What is AC? Root 2L. So the what is AO? L by root 2. So I'll draw a small triangle. At least looking at the triangle, you should be able to manage it. This is A, this is O, this distance is L root 2. Then now MG will act here in this direction. So this is X. We don't know any other things, no? We should have the information of angle. What can be this total? How to, we should know this theta, no? What can be this total angle? So I'll call this as say some alpha. What is alpha? We don't know alpha. Okay, then okay, I'll go for next one more angle. At least shall I say what can be this angle?
45 degrees.
45 degrees. So 45 and what about this? Beta. So beta plus alpha plus 37, what it should be? 90 degrees. Beta plus alpha plus 37 should be equal to 90 degrees. And alpha must be 45 degrees. So beta equal to 8 degrees. If beta is 8 degrees, then this should be the beta, no? Am I right? So now I know X. So what is X now? You should not these are very big things. Huh? High school geometry is what I applied. So now what is X? You can write it. Can we define X now? Sine X, because X is needed for us. So sine beta is equal to X by L by root 2. X equal to L by root 2 sine beta. Now let's write the torque about A. So what will set up mg into x. Mg into x will become perpendicular distance clockwise. Torque due to normal reaction n2 into how to, we don't know any other thing. So we know distance AB, no? So what is this perpendicular distance will be? L sine 37 torque due to friction F2 L cos 37 equal to 0. So X will come in terms of L so that L will get eliminated because he didn't give outside A is telling. I think I'll make it L this one. Again symbols. Okay, solving all this will get expression for the mu. So you look at this sine cos 8 degrees. He has given value. Cos of 8 degrees is equal to 0.99. Take help of this one. So around the answer will come around. Answer will be mu will be 1 by 7. Do calculation later on. So you should be very careful. A rectangle can come, triangle can come here. Hemisphere is what earlier we brought. All these are part of syllabus, can be asked in advance. Huh? You have to be careful. Now let's come for.
Sir, once will you show it, sir? Question. Sir, here, where did you use cos 8, sir?
To get sin 8, what happened? We need cos, no?
Okay, sir.
Read the next question.
So what's the answer in the end, sir?
1 by 7 more. Read next one. A hemisphere of mass m and radius